Okay, Standard 4, today we will start the book reading of Unit 2. So open your books. Page 12. Chapter 2. Pioneers of Computers. What are pioneers? Pioneers are the founders of computers who helped in inventing the present-day computers. Here is a boy whose name is Wiz. He is introducing himself to this person. Now let's read their conversation. Hello, I'm Wiz. Who are you? And what is this device? Now he is replying. Hello, Wiz. I am Blaise Pascal. This is my invention. I call it the Pascaline. It has 8 movable dials. Movable dials mean the dials which can move. I use them to add and subtract. So Pascaline can only add or subtract. Now here is a question. How is the present day calculator different from the Pascaline? Now use your mind. How are they different? In many aspects. As they can multiply, as they can divide as well. Not only they add or subtract. And they are made up of plastic. And what about their size? They are larger or smaller than Pascaline? They are smaller than Pascaline. They have many buttons on them. They have a screen as well. Now you will write the answer by your own self. Now, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician and physicist. That means that Blaise Pascal was a specialist in mathematics and physics. Invented an early mechanical calculator called the Pascaline in 1642. When he invented Pascaline? In 1642. To help his father, a tax collector, calculate taxes. Now turn your page number 13. Now here is another person. He is introducing himself to Wiz. Let's read their conversation. Hello, Wiz. I'm Gottfried Leibniz. I worked on Pascal's idea and invented this machine. Now Wiz is asking, what can your machine do? Now he is replying, it can multiply and divide. So it can multiply and divide. Now he is replying, I remember now. The binary number system you created will be used in the future in all digital computers. So in this picture you can see a Lebanese calculator. In 1673, Gottfried Leibniz, a German philosopher and mathematician, invented the first mechanical calculator. He invented the first mechanical calculator in 1673. And who was Gottfried Leibniz? He was a German philosopher and a mathematician as well. That means he got specialization in the subject mathematics. He called it the stepped reckoner. He called it the stepped reckoner. Now revise this book reading, and till the next lecture, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.